Ever tried to send money abroad and thought, there has to be a simpler way? Well, today, we're diving into a popular money transfer service called Paysend. And the burning question is, does Paysend have an app? Let's find out. Importance of apps. In our digital age, apps have become an essential part of our lives. They make everything from ordering food to booking flights a breeze. So, it's natural to wonder if a service like Paysend offers the convenience of an app. Paysend overview. Before we get into the app, let's quickly recap what Paysend is. It's a global money transfer service that allows you to send money to over 120 countries. But does it have the mobile app to complement its services? The main event, does Paysend have an app? Direct answer, the short answer is yes, Paysend does have an app. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. App features. Let's explore some of the key features you can expect to find in the Paysend app. Easy money transfers. Sending money is as simple as a few taps. Just enter the recipient's details, the amount, and choose your preferred payment method. Real-time tracking. Keep an eye on your transfer's progress with real-time tracking. You'll receive notifications as your money moves. Multiple payment options. Paysend offers a variety of payment methods, including bank transfers, card payments, and even cash pickups. Exchange rate calculator. Need to know the exchange rate? The app has a built-in calculator to help you determine the exact amount your recipient will receive. Security features. Paysend prioritizes security. The app uses advanced encryption to protect your personal and financial information. App Store ratings and reviews. What do users think about the Paysend app? Let's take a look at some ratings and reviews from the App Store and Google Play Store. Positive reviews. Highlight positive reviews that mention ease of use, fast transfers, and good customer support. Negative reviews. Address any negative feedback, such as issues with transfers or customer service. Comparison to competitors. How does Paysend's app stack up against other money transfer apps? Compare features, fees, and user experience. Recap key points. Summarize the main points discussed, such as the availability of the Paysend app, its key features, and user feedback. Final thoughts. Offer your final thoughts on whether the Paysend app is a convenient and reliable option for your international money transfer needs. Call to action. Encourage viewers to download the Paysend app and try it out for themselves. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.